this? No. No. You just scratched. You ain't ever touching my car. Oh. Okay. I'm really scared. Me too. One. Jesus, that's so weird. The nut is welded on this side. Oh. That's why we couldn't undo it on
my
this side.
God, bro, I was fucking pulling a welded nut.
It wasn't welded on the other side.
Maybe I broke it. That's what that snap was. What was that? That's what that snap was.
Hello.
Hello. What's up, guys? Today we are slamming the Civic with some max speeding rods coilovers. These are the standard ones. They don't have the adjusting to the dampening. So we'll see how these feel.
Just for the Civic, so not like we're racing it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I already installed the fronts, which you guys will see after this intro, before Charlotte came. So now we're both gonna do the rear.
Yeah. It should be easy. Like compared to the IS200, you did yours so quick.
Look at the stocks. Crusty dusty.
Yummy. She's gonna do them the same height and then we'll adjust them.
We'll adjust them
and then
after.
We'll slam it on its ass.
As much as we can without ripping my fenders off.
I want him on the floor, man. Have you seen those ones? And he's like this.
Yeah, that one's insane. But that's a girl that drives it.
That's cool.
I know.
Damn, you can be her. Yeah.
Oh, and I got a new exhaust. Should I do a sound test? Hey, this is Charlotte's first time hearing it.
Yeah. Let's see.
My family hates it. They say it's too loud.
I love Civics. I love shit boxes.
Oh my God.
Let's get my reaction. Good rev. And actually, wow.
I know.
I like it.
Like, how could a Civic?
That's nice.
I know. How could a stock Civic?
Go again. How sound like? Sounds better than your MX-5.
I know, exactly.
Wow. Guys, I love it. Fuck, imagine thrashing it through the streets. Damn. Now you gotta learn how to downshift rev match.
I know. That's why.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I know.
I love her. size. Oh, yeah, there you go. Wait, let me just check the other. Oh, if you need any parts from Amiyama, you know what Amiyama is? You know parts. Camera. Tricep will be over there soon. Not very good. I know. Okay, you want to get the jack stands ready?
Yeah.
How high up do you want it?
Just to get it under the pinch point.
How high is that?
I'll tell you when.
Ooh, like what if it slips?
Keep going. Keep going.
More?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah, I can't get under.
Dodge, just don't get under it.
Mine's not under, but I can't. More.
We're very high. I think it's gonna bottom out.
More. Okay. Well, see what I can't get on the pinch still.
Look how high. But maybe put the other side just in at all. I just worry. I don't want it to drop.
Oh wait, I better tell the camera. Guys, there's a long bolt that is holding the bottom of the stock spring
Yeah.
shock.
So we're gonna break it. And also, everybody, I got my freaking nails done. Do you see those beautiful tips? I don't want to get them fucked up. And now I'm slaving for this hope. Yeah.
I think it's down. I don't know.
It's fucking.
Okay, wait. If it's up, is it down?
Are you the stud?
I'm holding it.
No, but that's the stud on my. Yours. Yeah, it's up.
Okay, wait. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Swapsies?
Yeah, swaps.
Well, you can undo.
What was that? Are you sure it was going up? Did it strip it?
No. I don't know what that was.
I think it's fucking seized.
Yeah, I think you just slipped up.
No, I think it's seized. Oh, get the wrench.
The ratchet. It's not a wrench. It's a ratchet. Look at us. Look at us. I need you
Can I
to
pull it?
try. No, I need you to pull the lift
What
the
the
rotor.
fuck?
Lift the rotor up. Lift the
There's
rotor
no
up.
rotor.
This rotor. Lift it up.
I feel like I'm not even lifting anything.
Cause this.
Yippee! It just shot out. It just shot out when you stopped.
No, it was right at the end. Look at her.
That is a weird bolt.
I know. Is it straight?
Where'd the nut go? Okay, keep that over there. Okay, let's do that top part.
Cristal is crashing out.
I did this before and I snapped every piece
What?
of plastic I touched. Remember you sat on
Bro.
this and you put this back in place?
Yeah. Why is this camera doing this here?
Oh, okay. Oh, I blew out my speaker on this side because I touched it. So that's what's gonna happen next.
Yay! Alright. What do you mean you blew it out? You broke the cable?
I broke the cable. I don't know. It just stopped working.
So you broke it.
Yeah, I broke it.
So it's slipped.
Well,
Well, we have to. Just undo it.
what is this?
No. No! You just scratched. You ain't ever touching my car.
This one you just needed to just push out because
It goes up.
It's on a clip. It goes.
Ah!
Trust me, it goes out.
Okay, fine. You're right.
What the fuck? Oh.
Camera, watch out, guys. Guys, hold on. It's a bumpy ride. You're gonna break it if you push.
Why is this fucking big? This trim is in the way.
We could probably just unplug the speaker, you know, and then, okay, never mind.
I think that one's fine with the ratchet.
Yeah, if we unplug the speaker, we can move this whole trim. This hoe doesn't know how to put a goddamn ratchet on. Is that all our nuts and bolts? Bro, let me go.
Enough said. Oh, wait, sorry.
Yeah. Go, mommy. Don't slip.
Yeah.
Nice. Is there a 14 on the ratchet? No, that's a 12. I think a lot about random things.
Yeah.
And then when I think about it, are you okay?
It just.
What, the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's gonna be, oh my God. Okay, so what we did is we lowered the lower control arm, right? Oh, hello, Gimbal.
We loosened both sides of the lower control arm. We took one out fully, and it just plopped out.
It's gonna be hard to get back in, I think.
And then the stock shock is here.
Oh shit, it moved the whole thing.
Okay. I'm staring at the hole very intently. Can you land it up?
Yeah, go. No, go down.
Go down?
I didn't see that it wasn't. Oh wait, no, I think it's fine. No, it's fine, go.
Okay.
Yeah, stop. Ah, I think that's better. Wait. Okay, go. Okay, slow. Just slow. Slow pushes. Yeah, keep going. Very slow. Very slow. Very slow, because we're about to be in line. Okay, now super slow, yeah? Because we're like half in. A bit more. Yeah, stop. Okay, and then I'll make you do the other side. You already know how to. Okay, just a little bit in. Wait, let me find the hole. Together, it's gonna really bend this whole metal together. Okay, can you tighten now? We're crashing out.
We are crashing out.
No, I'm gonna lift. You're gonna hold. Okay.
I can lift.
No, you lift.
Yeah. I think it's got to do that big crack like last time. Okay, be prepared.
Be prepared. Oh.
Okay. Okay, it's definitely seized again.
Ah, I know what to do.
What? I can try one more time.
Okay. No, I was gonna say jump on it, but then we're going the wrong way now. Jump on my buddy. You got it, my girl. Why don't I just help you? I'm really scared.
Me too. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I know how to help.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Okay, wait, 3. Wait, don't do it yet. Okay, we'll do it on 3. And use all your strength. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Do you have WD-40?
Yeah.
Why don't we use that? Jesus, that's so dodge. But okay.
Don't slip off, please.
No, cool, done. Yeah, good.
So I can let it down? Or
Slowly, yeah.
do I keep going?
No, I can't get the nut off this side.
I can keep wrenching.
Wait, I can't get the nut off this side. You wanna try?
How is that possible?
I don't know.
Wait, let me just keep wrenching to see if it falls off eventually.
That's so weird. The nut is welded on this side.
Oh.
That's why we couldn't undo it
Oh
on
my
this side.
god, I was fucking pulling a welded nut.
It wasn't welded on the other side.
Maybe I broke it. That's what that snap was. What was that? Oh shit! I'm strong!
Wait, that's cooked. How did you do that?
Holy shit! That's what that snap was.
But they don't give us another nut to put on it.
Why would they? It's supposed to be welded onto it.
No, but there's no nut on the actual tool, oh my god, Cristal. What are we gonna do?
What do you mean?
Because we're gonna have to get that welded nut off because remember, you don't get another nut.
You mean that the coilover can't go over it?
No, well, there's nothing to tighten the other bolt with. Because we're gonna take this thing off. The nut's welded to the strut, not to
Okay, but crazy thought. What if we just put a nut on the outside of it?
We don't have a nut though, is what I'm saying.
What if we just use this?
If they thread on. Yeah, true, because it did thread on. Yeah, you're right, yeah.
We're
It's
kind
just
of doing the opposite of the
true.
other side.
It's just not very big, but that's fine. Okay. Are you? Oh, you okay?
That's scary.
That's scary. Are you okay?
Yes.
And then we gotta loosen this one.
Yeah. Okay, just make sure he doesn't
Hi,
find out
Milo.
that garage door's open.
Hey Milo, please don't poop on me. Can you please get off me? No, Milo.
It's so funny. What the hell? Okay.
So why the fuck is it welded on there? That's what I mean. Does it look welded? Maybe it's not welded.
Oh yeah, we just lost it now.
No, it's just painted on. Can you put your tool on that?
Should I just hammer it?
No, just...
Give me it.
Ah!
Nah, it's welded on.
I don't know. How did you break it? That doesn't look welded though. Huh? pull.
Oh!
For the love of George Bush. George Bush.
George Bush.
And then, guess what? I need to go home.
I need to go home, Joe.
Yep, it's you. This is your house.
Okay, so to adjust these coilovers, first you want to set the preload. So you want to make this one loose and bring this one down, and then bring this one down until the springs can move freely. Then you tighten this one up just so that the springs can't move, and then you keep this one, you tighten this one back up, and then you tighten this one till there's a 5mm gap. You measure the spring load. It should be, this car was at 19 centimeters at 0 preload, and then I did it to 18.5 for a 5mm preload. And then after that, to lower it, you want to make this ring loose and bring this bottom one up, and then you will twist this one. You make sure that these are very tight. You twist this one down, and that brings up the whole car. It'll start winding this one, and this will pull up and lower the car. And then to raise it, which I'm gonna do right now because it's too low, I will loosen this one all the way to the top, and then I will keep turning this one up, and then it will start unwinding this, and it will go back down slightly. So you want to measure the distance between here, but you also want to make sure that your spring load is at the right height.